So today I'm coming to you all with a makeup tutorial. I just need you guys to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on my makeup. I did not do the eyelashes, of course, because this is super easy. Look, guys, it's done in like less than 10 minutes. But keep watching. Also follow me on social media. Okay, stay tuned for the end. Watch it till the end. All right, check you guys out later. Hey guys, so let's start with some NYX primer. I got from the beauty supply store probably, but we're going to start with that. And some pro concealer stuff to hide all of those harsh blemishes on my face. I'm not a professional makeup artist, just to let you all know. I just do my own little thing in my own little world. And yeah, I just keep it moving. So as you see, it's already covering up that, well, those little marks on my face I got during my pregnancy, horrible acne. Next, I'm going in with my MAC foundation and my Fit Me by Maybelline foundation. I mix those together so that I won't look pale, and then the other so I won't look too dark. So yeah, I'll definitely leave all of the things I used below. The brush that I'm using is a Morphe brush. These are really like drugstore products too, including that little eyeliner right there. It's like an eyeliner pencil slash lip liner pencil. You can get from the beauty supply store. And there is Nola. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in once I get her balanced because she's not sitting up. She's only 2.5 months. And it keeps falling apparently. But yeah, I just go in with that, and I shade my eyebrows in as much as possible. I pulled my mirror out because I needed to see myself in the mirror instead of on camera. And it is Thanksgiving, so I am talking a lot. People are coming to visit. So yeah, and I'm being a mama and a wife, and I was not a chef, but we could throw that in there too. So yeah, just chatting. Also, guys, I can be found on social media: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Sorry, I paused, but I'll also leave those down below. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here, but something apparently. Always on my phone. So I just went in and brushed those out a little bit. When I get my eyebrows arched at the nail salon, I only go to one nail salon, let them do it. If you live in DC, then you will know Wonder Nails. Oh, and right here, I just took some concealer, which is the LA Girls Concealer, and I just went on in and, started to conceal my eyebrows. I don't know the professional word for that, but that is what I did. So, definitely on Instagram at Created by Chanise. If you guys want to view my profile, you can go to view videos on there. Also on my nonprofit page, which is at Ivy Beauty Bar, which basically is my hair page, makeup page, everything all around page. I got this page up because I really want to help offer support services and community resources to low-income students. I work with students, so they kind of like inspired me to do this. I also want to offer opportunities for homeless, domestic violence, and hair loss individuals, but that's another story. So let's finish this makeup tutorial, guys. Alright, so just looking at my eyebrows. I don't know what I'm doing. Probably tending to my daughter and trying to do my makeup at the same time. Oh, right here I just used some Maybelline. I'll go back in and show you guys what I use. It's like Maybelline highlight. I've been using it for years. Works like a beauty. And that is just one of my beauty blenders. I got probably off of Amazon. Who knows? I've had my beauty blenders for years. And then I'm going in with some banana powder by Ben Ye, I guess that's what his name is. I don't know. And I'm just highlighting right there. Then I'm just taking some, I don't know what that is, but, oh yeah, that is, I don't know why I said oh yeah, it was on the tip of my tongue, but I'm using that for just a little eyeshadow. That is a blush. Sorry guys, that is a blush. Is a like natural blush, but I do use it for my eyeshadow sometimes when I just want just like a natural quick beat. And like I said, the brushes I'm using are all Morphe brushes. Yeah. Oh, there's baby Nola. Probably was crying. So of course I gotta tend to my baby and give her a little beat, because this is mama and me makeup. Woo 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 woo. Shake your tail feather. My little baby. I love her. So yeah. Her little hair is trying to grow too. I'm so happy about that. She has very fine hair, like her papa. So just dancing. We dance a lot together. I am a new mama. Oh, and that is the Fit Me 355. I do know that. That is the only powder I use by Maybelline. I love it. Definitely use a lot of that. I have about 3 of them I buy in a row, because by the end of the month, hopefully they won't be gone, but maybe 2 months they might be gone. But yeah, I just go in on my nose, everywhere with that. Definitely I put a lot on my nose because I love the cakey look. And then I'm going back in with that same little blush I told you guys about, that natural blush, and I just do my contour with that. Very simple, very easy contour. I go on and rub my nose with that. Everywhere else, I don't prefer to use liquid to contour my face. Just something I just stopped doing after a while. Didn't really see the purpose, but I can do a makeup tutorial using liquid, and of course solids too, because I do prefer those. But yeah, just went back in my beauty blender to define that cheekbone, because I love my cheekbones. I have high cheekbones. Maybe I'm Cherokee. But yeah, I'm just going in. Oh, I have to spray some NYX Dewy Finish. Got some of my baby's hair. And I just pat that dry, because before I put my highlight or my eyeliner on, I love doing my little dewy finish. And that is just some liquid eyeliner I got from the beauty supply. Don't even know what it's called, but I'll leave it in the description below, guys. I've been talking for 8 minutes straight. I'm normally a talker, but my daughter is sleeping, so I'm trying to not really say much and let you all see everything I'm doing. So yeah, just did that. And since I told you guys it was Thanksgiving, I'm greeting my husband's family, giving them the baby. But of course, Nola is very crabby at times. But oh yeah, that is some MAC eyeliner I always just put on top. It gives it like a smooth look. And back again with that liquid, giving myself my 2 little moles. I love my little moles. I'm just going back in. I don't think I put any. Oh, there she goes, crying. So I had to stop the video at this point. But I'm back again now. So she ended up going to sleep, I think. Or I ended up, pacifying her. She is strictly breastfed, so that's why sometimes she acts funny. But yeah, I just went in with some. Oh yeah, I'm one-handing it, maybe because I am breastfeeding. Just went in with some highlight Anastasia and some MAC highlight that I don't think exists anymore. Just put it on my nose and my cheekbones, and then I went in with some NYX Lipliner that didn't really show. I didn't really like the outcome of it with the lipstick I had, so you guys are going to see me change that because I didn't like it. But yeah, my daughter's down there. So yeah, that is I think that's the Nicki Minaj lipstick that MAC had. That's why it looks so special and rare like that. But I didn't like the lip liner with it, so I went back in with a darker lip liner, as you see. And then I, did my little thug thistle. And there you go. That was my little 10-minute makeup tutorial. You can do quick, fast, and easy. And boom, bop, bam, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I told you guys before, I also come on here doing hair videos, makeup videos. I have a lot of other videos I'm going to, scoop you guys in on. But definitely make sure that you look out, okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I think I'm going to make a song like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. So, check me out on social media and stay tuned for more videos. Happy Thanksgiving.